In this video, we will show you how to create and start a group ride, select competition climbs for the course, how to turn on in-ride challenges, and how to use in-ride messaging on your Edge 1050. For this video, you will need the Edge 1050 and your compatible smartphone with the Garmin Connect app installed. For this video, we will be using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on compatible Android devices. See our pairing videos for help pairing your compatible smartphone with the Garmin Connect app. First, we will cover how to create and start your first group ride. Select Menu. Select Safety and Tracking. Then select Group Ride. Select the check mark to enable group ride location sharing. Select the plus icon in the bottom right corner to begin setting up a group ride. You can add information such as a name, date, and start time for your group ride. Next, you'll want to add a saved course or create a new one. See our video on how to use the on-device course creator feature if you haven't used it. For this example, we'll use a saved course. You can turn the in-ride climb competitions on and off. Then select Generate Code to receive a code to share with other riders with Group Ride compatible Edge devices. Select the three dots on the Edge 1050. Now select Share Code. Now open the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. Select View Code. Select Share. Then select the method you'd like to use for sharing your code with other riders. Select Start Location Sharing. Select the checkmark to begin the course. Now it's time to start the ride. Riders can join late or leave the group ride early at any time. You will see alerts for upcoming climbs and positions of each rider during the ride. A blue box will appear that reads Climb when a competition climb is starting. The Edge 1050 will display data from Climb Pro to help monitor your effort. A digital trophy will be awarded to the winner once everyone has completed the climb. You will be able to send preset messages or create your own in a group chat with other riders that have joined the group ride. There will be a list of awards for each rider once the ride has ended. These include the Wanderlust Award for the rider who spent the most time off course, and the Speed Racer Award for the rider with the highest max speed during the ride. You will also see post-ride leaderboards for the climb competitions from the group ride. You can add the group ride widget to the home screen to make it easier to start planning. Scroll through your glances until a pencil icon appears. Select the pencil icon. Select the plus sign. Locate the group ride option and check the box next to it. Select the check mark in the top right to confirm. Group ride has now been added to the home screen. Now you're all set to plan or participate in your first Garmin group ride, so round up some other riders and start planning your next route. Enjoy!